Wow, look at this view. Seriously, it feels like a movie. We are in Ninh Binh, hitting the legendary Tam Coc River cruise right at sunset. I'm sure it's the golden time. If you come here, head straight to the main pier. And the ticket costs about 250,000 VND per person for entry and the boat. Definitely come between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. to catch this exact lighting. Just a tip, apply sunscreen before and wear that beautiful Vietnamese hat to capture stunning photos. Alongside the river banks, you can see the beautiful coffee shops with the stunning mountains view. Can you say no to that coffee? Let me know. Honestly, just sitting back and watching the water reflect the sky right now is everything. It gets so peaceful the further you get from the docks. It's part of a UNESCO protected landscape where locals still farm wet rice directly on the water. Okay, look at the other rowers passing us. They row entirely with their feet. Men, women, elders, it's wild, right? Definitely it looks effortless, but it takes years of daily practice. And a perfect leg day for sure. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments if you could even balance like that. I feel like my legs would cramp up in 2 minutes flat. It's so crazy how they do this for hours every single day. Now we got to know Tam Coc actually means 3 caves. We are moving toward the first and biggest one called Tam Coc. Back in the day, kings used these exact hidden valleys to hide from invaders. Interesting, right? Right past the last cave exit, local sellers will paddle up to you showcasing stunning hand-woven art. Buying a piece is an awesome, direct way to support their livelihood and grab an authentic souvenir. We got them. The ceiling gets so low in the final cave, you literally have to duck your head so you don't hit the rock. Just be careful whenever you pass these caves. The longest cave here is about 120 meters long. To be honest, I felt a bit scary because the ceiling is really low, dark, and the water drips from the rocks. But once you move through these caves and you see those mountain views, it's totally worth it. One must definitely experience this beauty. Every corner here is the photo spot. It's hard not to take million photos, right? And if you look around, you can see beautiful lotus fields everywhere along the water. Honestly, floating back in this evening breeze was a core memory. If Vietnam isn't on your bucket list yet, smash that subscribe button right now because you need to see what's next.